Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered what the future of artificial hearts looks like? Well, let me introduce you to the Biomedical Total Artificial Heart. This isn't just any artificial heart, it's a game changer. The Biomedical uses magnetic levitation to reduce wear and tear. Yes, you heard that right. Magnetic levitation. This means it's designed to last longer and work more efficiently for patients with end-stage heart failure. It's even small enough to be suitable for women and children, but powerful enough to provide the blood flow adults need, even during exercise. Now, here's where it gets even more exciting. A man in Australia was recently discharged from the hospital with this device, marking a world first. And that's not all. A 57-year-old man had the Biomedical implanted at the Texas Heart Institute. These procedures are major milestones in medical history. This technology has the potential to transform countless lives. Imagine giving hope to those who have been waiting for a transplant, offering them a chance at a healthier, more active life. And guess what? Research is ongoing to improve this life-saving technology even further. So, there you have it. The future of artificial hearts is here, and it's called Biomedical. Who knows what other amazing advancements we'll see in the coming years. If you found this fascinating, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on groundbreaking technology. Thanks for watching and stay curious.